Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today we're going back to the basics and we're going to show you engraving some projects that we're working on here, and then we're going to talk about these projects. So real quick, check out this engraving here. And as it engraves, let me just talk about why we're going back to basics. A lot of you guys are interested in these type of projects here, seeing it engrave and then coming back here to the table and we talk about the projects themselves. So now that you've seen them engrave, we're going to talk about all the projects and why I made these set of projects here. And these are just some things that I'm working on. It's been a while since I've actually created designs because I've just been busy with other videos and life in general. But this is a project that I was working on specifically for today. I've got a card night with some family. And we have an ongoing joke about it's in the past with that good hand that we had last hand. So we always say it's in the past, leave it in the past. So I figured the winners of the round could win the actual card, saying that they had the best hand in the past, and then the losers can take the time machine back to the past and hope for a different future here. I thought that was a good running joke for that, and I think they're going to get a lot of kicks out of that. These little tokens down here is a set of series that I'm working on. I went ahead and started off with this design right here. I didn't know if I liked the little guy in the center here, the little stick figure guy, and I wanted to make him a little bit more animated like this here. So I gave him a more beefy helmet and like a 3D look to him and put an anvil on it instead of like a rock. But I do like them both, so if I do put this in my shop, I'll include both as a set here, or I'll just do a big set of tokens all together. I'm working on a set of series of these. They turned out really well. I'm pretty happy with them. I'm a little bit happier with these. That's why I printed 2 of them. And then last but not least, we have this big dragon here. This dragon is going to make it in our future music video. I know that sounds weird, but I'm just doing something really out of the ordinary with fun, using some AI animation as well. And we're going to be making this dragon come to life in a future music video, so check that out. I'd really appreciate it if you can watch that and subscribe to our channel. I think you're going to find some interesting things along the way here. Other than that, if you're new to laser engraving, check out the links down in the description below for your own laser engraver if you're interested in making your own. But overall, the reason why I wanted to make this video is just show you the power of customization based on your day-to-day situation, like my card night tonight here. And you guys always find these videos interesting, and I feel like I've kind of neglected these types of videos because I've just been so busy with other videos here. So I figured I'd make a new video for you guys that are interested in this type of stuff. If you have any questions on any of these, let me know in the comments below, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.